Morocco is planning to kill 3 million street dogs, and the reason is shocking. These visuals from Morocco have sparked global outrage. The North African country is planning to kill nearly 30 lakh street dogs over the next 5 years, that is by the year 2030. In many of these horrific visuals, dogs can be seen howling in pain, lying in pool of blood and being thrown in trucks. And with that news, one can wonder, what is possibly the reason? Well, shockingly, it is a brutal cleanup exercise to make cities in Morocco more presentable. Why? Because Morocco is hosting one of the world's most popular sporting events, the 2030 FIFA World Cup, alongside Spain and Portugal. And the country wants its cities to look beautiful to the tourists coming in from across the globe. And what solution did they find? Take a guess. To clean up its streets and slaughter street dogs, 3 million of them. The reports have sparked global outrage, and people have termed the gruesome so-called cleanup exercise as brutal and shocking. Some disturbing reports even claim that Morocco has already started to execute its cleanup exercise, slaughtering dogs across several venues in the country. The reports claim that dogs are being killed by injecting them with strychnine, which is a highly toxic chemical used as a pesticide. Strychnine poisoning can cause dogs to endure several hours of agony before death. Reports from the Daily Mail also suggest that Moroccan authorities are resorting to shooting dogs in public spaces, and in some cases allegedly beating the surviving animal to death with shovels. These brutal tactics have drawn sharp criticism from animal groups across the world who are calling for immediate action. The International Animal Welfare and Protection Coalition has raised alarm over the potential killing of over 3 million dogs as part of this campaign. In fact, they have also shared shocking videos that are too gruesome to be shared here. They have also launched a campaign titled Morocco's Ugly Secret. Indeed, it could not have gotten uglier. The groups claim that despite Morocco's assurance to FIFA that the killing had stopped in the year 2024, they continue on a large scale. Dr. Jane Goodall, a globally recognized conservationist, wrote to FIFA urging immediate intervention. The reports have sparked global outrage, with people taking to social media to call out the decision. A user stated that killing wasn't the answer. Instead, he called for sterilization, adoption, and vaccination. Another social media user urged football teams to not play in the 2030 World Cup if dog genocide continues to take place. However, as we speak, FIFA has not responded on the issue, but sources suggest that the organization is closely monitoring the situation. Inspections are being carried out at the proposed World Cup venues in Morocco to assess the situation and ensure that any action taken aligns with international standards.